Kaylee, how do you like your pudding? Is it yummy? Yeah? Tasty. You want more? Well, you have some in your bowl. Finish what you have. Put your spoon in there and take a big bite. Big bite. You can put your hands in there. Is it so yummy? Do you want more? Say yummy.